Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Commerzbank app not working or not opening on your phone. First, restart the device, then try opening the app again. After that, open the recent apps and then find Commerzbank app and swipe it away to close. Then reopen the app. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store, search for your app, and update the Commerzbank app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then head over to your storage and general, then iPhone storage. Then make sure your phone has enough free space. Low storage can prevent apps from opening. Delete and reinstall the app again, then log in normally. That's how to fix the Commerzbank app not opening. Subscribe for more helpful.